Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a huge part of our daily lives. From voice assistants to recommendation systems, AI is everywhere. But one big question remains: can AI think like a human? To answer this, we first need to understand what thinking means for humans. Human thinking involves creativity, emotions, self-awareness, and the ability to learn from experience. It also means making decisions, solving problems, and sometimes even imagining things that don't exist yet. AI, on the other hand, works differently. AI systems use data and complex algorithms to recognize patterns and make decisions. For example, AI can learn to play chess at a superhuman level or translate languages instantly. But does this mean AI actually thinks? Most experts say AI does not truly think like humans. Instead, AI processes information and follows programmed instructions. It can simulate human thinking to some extent, but lacks emotions, consciousness, and real understanding. However, the possibilities of AI are growing fast. Researchers are developing AI models that can generate art, write stories, and even hold conversations that feel natural. These advances show AI's ability to mimic human-like tasks better than ever before. One important concept is called artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI would be an AI capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across many different tasks, much like a human brain. But today, AGI is still theoretical and has not been achieved. Current AI is called narrow AI because it is designed for specific tasks. For example, a speech recognition AI cannot drive a car, and a game-playing AI cannot write poetry. Each AI excels in its own narrow area, but does not have general thinking skills. Another limitation is that AI does not have emotions or consciousness. Human thinking is deeply connected to feelings and experiences. AI can simulate some emotional responses, but it does not truly feel. Despite these limitations, AI can assist humans in amazing ways. It can process huge amounts of information quickly, find patterns humans might miss, and support decision-making. This partnership between humans and AI is likely to grow stronger. In conclusion, AI cannot yet think like a human. It can mimic certain aspects of thinking and perform specific tasks very well. The future may bring more advanced AI, possibly even AGI. But for now, human thinking remains unique and complex. Exploring AI's possibilities helps us understand both its strengths and its limits. AI is a powerful tool, but true human-like thinking involves more than just data and algorithms.